Demystifying the Hemingway Editor, your online proofreading pal. Hello, English learners. Today, we're diving deep into a powerful tool that can elevate your writing skills to the next level. Ever heard of the Hemingway Editor? Whether you're a newbie or an old friend to this tool, by the end of this video, you'll understand how to harness its full potential. The Hemingway Editor is an online tool that assists writers in refining and improving their content. Named after the legendary writer Ernest Hemingway, known for his concise and clear writing style, this tool aims to help you achieve the same level of clarity in your texts. Simplicity. The tool highlights sentences that are hard to read in yellow, and those that are very hard to read in red. This gives writers instant feedback on which parts of their text might need simplifying. Passive voice detection. It identifies instances of passive voice, allowing you to make your writing more direct and engaging by switching to the active voice. Adverb alert. Hemingway Editor isn't a fan of unnecessary adverbs. It'll flag them, encouraging you to use more powerful verbs instead. Readability score. Based on various factors, the tool provides a grade level, helping you understand the complexity of your writing and adjust accordingly. Using the Hemingway Editor is a breeze. 1. Visit the Hemingway Editor website. 2. Copy your text and paste it into the editor. 3. The tool will automatically highlight areas of improvement. 4. Hover over the highlighted sections to get specific feedback and suggestions. 5. Make the suggested changes in your text as you see fit. 6. Voila! Your text is now more clear and powerful. Why is the Hemingway Editor especially useful for those learning English? Improves writing style. By continuously using the tool, learners can develop a more clear and concise writing style, which is crucial for effective communication. Instant feedback. Instead of waiting for a teacher or peer to review your work, you get immediate feedback, which accelerates the learning process. Better understanding of common mistakes. Over time, you'll begin to notice patterns in the mistakes you make, enabling you to actively avoid them in future writings. There you have it. The Hemingway Editor is a fantastic tool that not only seasoned writers but also English learners can greatly benefit from. Here's hoping this tool brings clarity, precision, and style to your writing journey. Until next time, keep writing and keep improving.